today I will be dressing up as a handful of Nickelodeon cartoon characters that hopefully everyone knows. I mean, I know them, and that's all that matters, to be honest. But we are going to start with one of my favorite shows Nickelodeon has ever made, and that would be Danny Phantom.
I'm going ghost!
The Danny Phantom theme song was my cell phone theme song for the majority of my childhood. That and Kim Possible, but we're not gonna go there for this video, okay? Save that for another video. You can't think about Danny Phantom without thinking of Sam.
Wow.
Am I right? Now, instantly when I thought of Sam, I thought of this skirt that I have that is a greenish tint. Of course, I have a bajillion black shirts, but I don't have any black shirts with purple. With a purple thing on them. So, we have a choker, we have a green scrunchie, and I have this short black wig. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. Wow. I mean, it's not bad. I did decide to glue a piece of fabric to my shirt so I could have her fake logo shirt, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Ooh. 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 I didn't have purple lipstick, so I just took lip gloss and some eyeshadow, you know, to make the lips. I think it works out. I mean, I think we did our best, but let's move on. Next, we're going to be doing another character from Danny Phantom. We will be doing,
Paulina Vintage.
you know, the pretty mean girl that Danny had a crush on, of course. She's a little bit more my everyday style. A pink shirt, some blue pants, pink hair clips, and we need a long black wig. Let's do it. This one was relatively easy. I did have to turn this shirt around, so it's a little obvious because it says Crybaby on the back. I just did a little wing because she really only has the sides done. The purple, you know, we got the clips. The hair is perfect, honestly, and here we are. I feel good about this one. I really started filming at the wrong time of day. The sun is just going down so fast. The next Nickelodeon character that we're doing is very similar to this one, just in the sense of like the makeup and the wig is staying on. The next character we're doing is Trixie Tang from the Fairly Oddparents.
But that means there are less people around to adore me.
For Trixie, we already have this wig. We have this purple shirt, and I saved the bottom of the shirt to make a headband. And then all we need is a white skirt to go underneath. And other than that, the makeup is the same. We lucked out by doing these in a row. Let's do it. I think we're good. I think we did well. I accidentally pulled the hair out in the front, but I think that was the move. Here we go, Trixie Tang. Where's Timmy Turner, you know? Oh my gosh, I should have done Vicky. Next time. We can do Vicky next time, okay? Next, we're doing a character from an old Nickelodeon show. We are going to be doing Helga from Hey Arnold.
Helga G. Pataki. Oh, Arnold.
I related to her, I really did. So, what do we need? What do we need to be Helga? A white, shorter sleeve turtleneck. So I'm just gonna layer these two. I don't have a pink, like, loose fitted dress, but I do have this really old sweatshirt. I can cut this, right? So it's sleeveless, okay. A blonde wig. Let's see how we do. I can't. I think this is my favorite one yet. I think this is my favorite one. I mean, the hair doesn't stick out, you know, like the cartoon, but this is like the real life version, you know? Like, I feel like I am Helga in real life. You know? I feel it. I feel her energy. The bow I made out of the sleeves Okay, the shirt is a Titanic shirt backwards because I don't have any plain white t-shirts. Coda, what do you think? How'd I do? I'm not Helga. I'm not Helga, I'm Hannah. Do you know who I am? It's a unibrow. It's throwing you off, isn't it? It's me, Helga. Yeah. Have you seen Football Head anywhere? Have you seen him anywhere? Oh my God, get off me. I'm tempted to wear this forever, you know? It's really tempting. Oh my God, this is so fun. Wow, I love this video. I hope everyone else likes it. We have one more character left. Believe it or not, I know, you're like, Hannah, how could we get any better than Helga from Hey Arnold? I know, you're like, Hannah, stop it, Helga. Helga is great. Like, just mic drop right there. Leave it at Helga. We'll come back to watch another video, okay? I know that's what you're saying, but trust me, the final character that we're doing is from the Wild Thornberrys.
But you promised me I could have my own room.
She always had such sass. I channel Debbie energy. I can be Debbie sometimes. What do we need? What do we need to be Debbie? I don't have anything orange. Believe it or not, I'm not an orange person, but my roommates, Alberto, kindly let me borrow his ginormous orange shirt. Logan is letting me borrow this flannel that I know isn't green, but it also like it will work, okay? It works, it's fine. And I do have flared jeans. We have my 52-inch synthetic wig. Yeah. Let's do it, Debbie. Okay, I feel pretty good about this one. Oh, yes, it is me, Debbie Thornberry. Most rebellious teen on the block. No, it's still me. It's me. I'm not really Debbie. You know what? I don't think Debbie got enough credit, you know? She rocked this hairstyle for years. Looking out of only one eye, you know? Like, that's hard. And that's it. I used what I had, and I did as well as I could have done. Thank you. Thank you. No, thank you. No, I love you too. Thank you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye! I know, you're like, Hannah, stop it, Helga. Helga is great. Like, just mic drop right there. Leave it at Helga. We'll come back to watch another video, okay? I know that's what you're saying.